Hey guys, C Wub here. Today, we're rebuilding this
The
doghouse.
reason that we are rebuilding this gigantic thing is because, as you can see, we built it inside and it needs to go outside. Clearly, we overshot on the size. There's no way it'll fit through the doors in my apartment. So we're gonna take it apart and I'll show you what we did. As you can see, it's a fairly simple design. My time lapse stopped a little short here. We reused 2x4s, 28-foot cedar planks, and one 1-pound box of 1 5/8" deck mate screws. Cut out in the front and back boards here for our support posts. And here's take a look at the handles from the top. Take a look at the bottom here. Measures 4 feet by 3 feet. Got 2 joists in the middle, should provide plenty of support, and we added some handles for easy transport. Cut the back wall pieces to 49 inches to make for a clean overlap. Sideboards will be cut to 36 inches, and your deck pieces will be cut to 48 to match the frame. Got everything all broken down and it all fits in my 2012 Ford Fusion. All right, we've arrived at our destination. We've got everything set up and we'll go ahead and get started. Just want to show you guys a close-up of how I secured the posts for my walls down to the foundation. As you can see, we've got the walls constructed. The door opening measures 16 inches wide by 20.5 inches tall. Should be good enough for Mr. Rocket. Let's go and take a look here. Got our little supports for our roof braces right here. Roof braces right here. Take a look inside, nothing fancy. I'm sure you guys could tell from the time lapse. Reconstruction was a little bit of an issue. We got it figured out though. Looks like everything came together pretty well. You can see this top board is a little taller in the front, kind of tapers to the back. So we've got 1 inch. Go ahead and get the roof attached now.
All right, guys, we're ready for our new tenant to move in. We're gonna see how it goes.
Very good. Yeah. You like it? You like it? Come on. Come on, you like it? Come on, buddy. Rocket, come here. Rocket. All right, guys, it looks like we have a pretty happy tenant. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to look at what I'm doing and appreciate the support. Happy New Year's 2020. Rock it.
Speak.